Welcome to another Adobe Illustrator logo designing tutorial. In this tutorial today I will show you how to design a logo of low poly effect with the use of pen tool, so make sure to watch to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon if you haven't yet, because I am come up every day with amazing tutorials. Let's create a new file of width 1920 and height 1080 and press OK. Zoom canvas little bit by pressing Ctrl plus Tab and click left mouse key, Tab button for hand tool. Now select text tool and type N. Choose selection tool and make it bigger by holding shift. Choose any wide circular shape font. Like show card Gothic font. Make it little bit bigger. Select letter and click on create outlines. And then ungroup it. Now swipe fill color to stroke. Select pen tool. And draw a triangle like this. Each triangle should connect it to each other. It's very easy, you can just follow me. Draw triangles until it fill up whole letter. After making triangles, we have to fill different intensities of one color on triangles one by one. Here I have different intensities of green color. Choose selection tool. Instead of selecting triangles and fill one by one, there is an easy trick for that. Hold shift and select triangles randomly. Select eyedropper tool and fill color in a just single click. Select again triangles randomly and choose another intensity of color with eyedropper tool. Do same until whole triangles filled. Make sure to fill different color with one triangle and it's beside one. I hope you will understand what I am trying to say. Select whole letter. And keep its stroke on 0. Here one triangle is misaligned. Zoom in to see clearly. Choose Direct Selection tool, double-click on corner and drag it to align. At least we got our low poly letter logo. You can do this with any letter you want. Always keep experimenting. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, subscribe and click on bell icon for daily updates. Write your suggestions in the comment box. Goodbye, have a great day.